Hi guys, today we will discuss about the advantages of breastfeeding. Coming to the advantages of breastfeeding for the mother. Breastfeeding can help the mother rest during the day and makes night feeding easier because breastfeeding avoids unnecessary hectic work involved in the preparation of formula milk. And also, breastfeeding during night time is the most important thing to sustain breast milk production for a longer duration as prolactin hormone secretion will be more during the night. Breastfeeding causes uterus to contract to the virginal size. It is due to oxytocin hormone production. Oxytocin causes the uterus to contract to the normal size. Breastfeeding reduces postpartum bleeding and also reduces the menstrual blood loss. And also oxytocin induces natural amenorrhea and thus it reduces normal menstrual blood loss. Breastfeeding helps in regaining the bones minerals for the mother. In this case also it is due to oxytocin hormone because oxytocin hormone induces positive bone metabolism. Osteogenesis occurs due to increase in osteoblast production. Duration of breastfeeding is inversely proportional to the incidence of breast and ovarian cancer in the woman. Breastfeeding induces a special bond between mother and baby. No other method of feeding has this advantage. Breastfeeding prevents postpartum depression and also prevents type 2 diabetes. This is due to prolactin hormone secretion. Prolactin is a dopaminergic hormone. That means it improves the brain active status. So it prevents the postpartum depression. And oxytocin increases the uptake of glucose by the cells and thus oxytocin prevents type 2 diabetes occurrence. Breastfeeding can save the money and also the time. Because breastfeeding is a natural method and breast milk production is a natural thing, it can save money. There is no need to buy formula milk from outside. And also breastfeeding avoids hectic work involved in the preparation of formula milk and thus breastfeeding saves time for the mother. Next, coming to the advantages of breastfeeding for the baby. Breast milk contains the right proportions of all nutrients that infant needs. Baby gains immunities from the mother in the form of antibodies. That means breast milk contains lot of antibodies which protect the infant from many diseases. Another advantage for the baby is breast milk is always sterile and is ready immediately, whereas bottle feeding can cause infections to the infant, and bottle feeding is also not ready whenever needed. It takes time to prepare the bottle feeding. Breastfed babies are typically the appropriate weight. That means they are not obese and also not malnourished. They are typically appropriate weight. Whereas formula powder milk feeding can lead to obesity and malnutrition if the mother is uneducated. Newborn should be given exclusive breastfeeding until 6 months of life. Up to 2 years of age, breastfeeding should also be given along with normal solid foods.